I'm going to show you how you can generate private images using Ideogram AI. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more. So as you probably know, all the images you generate using Ideogram will be public by default. So that means they will appear right here and everyone can use them. So they will also appear on your Ideogram profile and anyone can download them and use them for anything. So if you don't want that, I'm going to show you how you can fix that in just a few steps. So I'm going to copy this prompt, for example, and let's say I want to create this image. So at the right, you will see this feature which says visibility, and you can set it to public or private. If you can't use private, it might be because your subscription or the plan you are using right now doesn't let you generate privately, but I'm going to show you how to fix it. So I'm going to generate some images as a test right now, and after that I'm going to show you the method you can follow if you want to keep your images private even when having a free plan. So I have my images right here, and as you can see they are on private, and I can download them or make them public or even delete them. So what you can do is download them and then delete them right after so no one else can see them. Or if you can't delete from here, you can go to your account and delete your account. So if you do that, you can't register with the same email in 48 hours, but you can sign up again using a different email. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.